Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi Capricorn, it's Sai. So today reading is about your person current feelings, especially the person on your mind and their intentions and outcome and suggestion. Guys, this is general reading, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see. This side your person current feelings, this side yours and middle mutual. So let's see. Two cards I'm not taking. Capricorn. Energy could be vice versa, guys. The person on your mind and your feelings. So let's say mutual. Temperance. Let's clarify. Five of Swords. Okay. So under the deck, the Hermit and Four of Pentacles. Right now, maybe you are in no contact situation, Capricorn, and one person may be going through some transformation, and the person involved in this connection could be Virgo. Yeah, for some no contact situation, for some you are in separation with your person right now. So let's see your person current feelings. So right now there are some issues between you and your person. Five of Swords with Five of Wands. Lot of drama is going. They may be cheated on you, lied to you. Maybe some backstabbing energy. A lot of drama. Lot of drama is going. And Queen of Pentacles with Lovers. Yeah, I think love is there. I think it is more about physical than emotional. And the person involved in this connection could be especially Gemini, Sagittarius or Aquarius. But right now, your person concentrating on their career, Queen of Pentacles. They are working towards their goals, towards their finances. Then Seven of Pentacles with Three of Pentacles. But they are in waiting mode. Capricorn. Your person is waiting more. Your person is on waiting for you or something, because Three of Pentacles is here. I think in past there is no partnership in this connection, especially between you and your person. But now your person want partnership with you. Three of Pentacles. They are waiting for reconciliation. If you are in relationship, they want to take this relationship to next level, Capricorn. They are in waiting mode. Yeah. Even though they are working on their career and finances, but they are waiting for you. So let's see your feelings. The Moon with Nine of Wands. So lot of illusions between you and your person. Right now you are guarded up, Capricorn. There is no clarity, confusion, and the World with Ten of Swords. You are very tired. You are very drained. Some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. For some, you both are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. And the Star with Six of Swords. Maybe some of you want to move on from this person, and you want to concentrate on your career also, because there is something positive shift is coming into your life, Capricorn, because the Star card is here. And Six of Swords. Yeah, you want clarification or you want reconciliation. But here two cases, maybe one case, some of you are waiting for your person, but another case you want to move on from this person because there is no clarity. You are very drained and you are very tired. That's why maybe you decided to move on from this person. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, lot of air energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So mutual, Temperance with Ace of Cups. Yes, there is love between both of you. You both love each other a lot. Lots of love, because Ace of Cups mutual card with Temperance. Patience is the key, guys, in this relationship. and there is no balance in this connection. First, you both have to restore the balance in this connection, and maybe you both are patiently waiting, especially your person is waiting. They are on waiting mode, but there is love between both of you, but patience is the key right now, because for some circumstances are not under your control. Maybe that could be the situation for some family issues, for some third party involved. So Capricorn, let's see your person intentions. Under the deck, 7 of Wands. Yeah, they will fight for your attention, they will fight for your love. So let's see. Their intentions. Capricorn. Seven of Cups, 10 of Wands, 10 of Cups, and Ace of Cups, see, and Queen of Swords. There is love. Definitely your person love you. And 7 of Cups, 10 of Wands, and 10 of Cups. But yeah, they want 10 of Cups happiness with you. They want family with you. They want to be with you. But there are some problems. Your person have some confusion because they're confused. 7 of Cups. Maybe they have options. They have to choose. 10 of Wands. Right now, maybe your person is very busy with their work or with their family issues. Right now, they're feeling overburdened. They want to be with you, but there are some issues. Yes. I think their intention, that I am not seeing any action in their intentions, because yeah, they're willing 10 of Cups happiness with you, but they are not making any move, because uh, in feelings also they are in waiting mode. Yeah, right now they're confused. First, uh, they have to get clarity, then they will make a move. Now they are stuck, maybe they're feeling overburdened, but they want to be with you, but there are some issues, Capricorn. So let's see the outcome from universe, where this relationship is headed on. Outcome. Nine of Swords, the Magician, and King of Pentacles, 3 of Pentacles. So right now, mutual energies, you both are missing each other a lot. I think one person may be a player in this connection. Magician sometimes treated as manipulator, but one person is manifesting other person in this connection. It could be you or your person, but right now missing energy, and there is no stability in this connection. That's why the issues are happening. So let's see the suggestion. I want one more card for outcome. Yeah, issues, lot of issues, lot of illusions. There are still some problems between both of you, and the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, especially. Yeah, trust issues between both of you. So let's see the suggestion. 4 of Swords and 4 of Cups. See, no contact, separation. 4 of Swords with 4 of Cups. First, you both have to heal yourself completely, and right now you both feeling lonely or alone without each other. So suggestion is, so you both have to heal completely. Yes, first you have to complete you have to complete by yourself, not by other person. First you have to give priority yourself and do meditation to heal completely yourself. So let's see some messages from your person end. I'm crazy about you. Communication is coming. Second chance. Twin flames. Past person return, and family issues. So the messages are, I am crazy about you. Communication is coming. Second chance. Twin flames. Past person return, and family issues. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. So for some family issues, definitely past person return. For some, you both are in twin flame journey. A time to give rather than take. Full moon in Virgo energy, and it's time to take action. For those who want to take action, this is the message for you. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you. Please do share, like and subscribe.